to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about reports. We click on Start, we click on Report, and we select Sales Report first. In Sales Report we go to Product Wise Sales. This is the window of Product Wise Sales Report. As you can see, syntax is more or less same. We have tabs at the top which has different options. Like in sales, initially we have a period, a range which we can select, date range. So we have selected it from 1st April to 16th of August 2013. Next is the option of selecting whether we want summary, detail, month-wise, day-wise. Let's select summary. Then in type, whether we want sales, sales return, sales plus pending sales challan, sales plus pending sales challan, minus sales returns, and sales return. And as we go down, there are more options available like pending sales return, sales order, pending sales order, and more. So we can select as per requirement. So let us select sales. Also there is option of selecting series. For example, if we have multiple series, we can select that particular series and the location and the transaction against that series can also be selected. Then we select product from the product filter. As already told in earlier videos, we can click on category, select any specific category. Similarly, we can select on marketing and select the marketing company. And similarly, brand, attributes, product, size, strength, and description. We can also select locations from here, like in our case these are the locations, so we can select an appropriate location and then click on OK. So now we move on to customer. Similarly, customer filter will also has different options like region, area, station, locality, refer by, and more. We can select and click on OK. And similarly, we can select a salesperson. Here in our case it's administrator, and we click on view. As we click on view, this is the report that is visible to us. Now again, these are the only two fields which are coming, like text amount and amount. We can also right click and go to set grid layout and set the parameters at the top as per our requirement, and then we can click on save. So this way we can see the sales summary report through this particular procedure. We can also see other details like details. We can click on details, we click on view, we have details. Similarly, we have month wise, so we can click on month wise and click on view. So we have month wise like in July and August 2013, and similarly day wise also is possible, like for 30th of July and 16th of August. Similarly, the other options which are available here are, we move on to second option, which is product and area. So in product and area, again we have date range, we have the categorization, whether we need summary, details, month wise, day wise, monthly, quarterly, cumulative, additional features, and whether we need sales, sales minus sales challan, and other details, branch transfer, sample distribution, and more. So we select summary, sales, series, again same. Again there is options of product filter, customer filter, and salesperson filter, as we already know. Now here is categorization of with product and area. As the name suggests, product area. So we can select the details of product that we wish. For example, let's select category, product, brand, and then we select the area, let's say region, locality, and click on view. So now the report is based on the product features which are category, product, and brand, and then region and locality. So category is air, product is split, brand is Onida, and the region and locality is East. Similarly, color TV 21-inch LG East, and more. We can also select a different combination as per our requirement. For example, let's say marketing company and a region. So we have Bajaj in East, Godrej in East, LG in East, and similarly other marketing companies in a specific region. We can also have a view on chart like this and a data representation like this. As already shared, we can right click, go to set grid layout and change the parameters that are at the top, and again set it according to our requirement. Now we move on to area product. As the name suggests, earlier is product area, next is area product. So we first select the region, the area, and then we select the product features. For example, let us select area, region, customer, and then let us select the marketing company and let us click on view. So this is the area is Jaipur, region is East, customer is Arun, and similarly marketing company is Bajaj. Here it is Godrej, LG, and more. We can just, now it is more visible, right? Godrej, LG, Maharaja. Other features and details remains the same, like date range, summary, sales, series, product, customer, and salesperson. Also, as you know, we can change it to detail, month-wise, day-wise, monthly, quarterly, or cumulative. And similarly, we can select as per our requirement, like sales, sales return, and more. Similarly, now we move on to product station. So we can select the attributes related to product, like category, marketing, company, brand, product, strength, product, and then we select the station details like country, state, station, customer, customer account, and more. And then again we can click on view. So let us select marketing company and salesperson, and we click on view. So all salespersons are coming here. We have only one salesperson, so let us select country, not country, state, station, product, and view. So again we have report accordingly. We have marketing company Bajaj, state not mentioned, station Jaipur, product is Bajaj. Again this way we can go to chart and we can create a chart if possible of that particular combination. Similarly, station product is option, like here it is product and station. Other option is station product. So we can again select the station categories first, like country, state, or state, district, customer, and then we can select marketing company and we can click on view. So we have the details like state. So we have state which is not defined, then district Jaipur, customer Arun, and marketing company Godrej, LG, and Maharaj. Again we can go to chart and see the diagrammatic representation or a bar graph of this particular thing. Even different charts are available like bar, column, area, line, scattered pie. So we can define according to our requirement. And the pellets is also standard office and more. So we can choose as per our requirement. So these are the options like 1 to 5, and the sixth option you are already familiar with, which is view. So we have options like print template, preview, print chart, save layout, set grid layout, print options, find, and format if we wish to. If we are using some formats like balance sheet, refer by master, trading account, verification goods, trial balance, and more. So we can also use the format files also, and then we can print. So this is the report in which we have just seen the product sales report. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.